Sorting results with the order by clause. When we run a query, it shows us the results of the query that we've written, as you've seen before. But you may have noticed that the results aren't in any particular order. Sometimes in the employee table it was shown by employee ID, and other times it seemed random. What if you want to show your results in a specific order? You can do that with an order by clause. It lets you specify how you want your results ordered. And this order by clause goes at the end of your query, after the where clause. To write this clause, you write the words order by, and then the column, and then the order that you'd like to sort in, which is either ascending or descending. You write ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. You don't need to specify either ASC or DSC, and if you don't, the default sort order is ascending. You can specify the columns in the order by clause in one of two ways. You can specify the name of the column or a number, where the number indicates the position of the column in the select clause. So to order by the first column that you mentioned in the select clause, you write order by 1. To order by the second column, you write order by 2. Let's see some examples of the order by clause. Here is a query that shows employee data. Let's run the query. Now, let's try and order this data. We'll order it by the last name column. So at the end of the query, we'll remove the semicolon and add the clause order by. Then we type in last name. Now let's type in the word ASC. This means that the data should be ordered in an ascending order. If we run this query, we can see the data is still there, but it's ordered by last name in ascending order. So it starts with A, then moves down to B, and then C, and so on. We can remove the ASC and get the same result, because ascending is the default sorting order. As you can see, we've run it again here without the ASC. We can change this query to DESC and see the results in descending order. You can see it has Woods here at the start, because Woods is the last name when you order it in descending order. We can also order by a number column instead of a name column. Let's order our data by the salary column, in ascending order to start with. If you look at our results, you can see that the lowest salary is 21,000. There are several records with 21,000 which are all grouped together here. And then it moves up to 22 and 23 and so on. It keeps going to the highest salary, which is down the bottom of the list, which is 120,000. Now, there are two records here that have a null value. We learnt what null values were in an earlier lesson, and null values are sorted at the end of any sorting. Let's sort by salary in descending order. You can see here that the null values appear at the top, because they're treated at the end or at the highest of any value that you wanted to sort. Then we have 120,000, and the values go down from there. What if we wanted to order by a date column? We could change the salary column here to hire_date. The results are now sorted by hire date in descending order. You can see the most recent dates are at the top, and as you go down the list, it goes further back in time. You can change this to ascending order and run the query, and you'll get the earliest hire date at the top of the list. So that's how you can order your results from your queries. Next, we'll take a look at how to order by multiple columns.